Ready to share your voice with the world? Discover how to effortlessly create a time block website on Wix. No coding skills required, just your creativity. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful online presence today. So hello guys and welcome in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a blog website in Wix.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Wix.com. This is the whole page as you can see. So Wix is an intuitive website builder perfect for creating your own blog. With its drag and drop interface, you can easily customize your site without any coding skills. Choose from a wide range of professional templates to showcase your content, whether you are sharing personal stories or expert insights. Wix helps you engage your audience effectively. Start your blogging journey with Wix and bring your ideas to life. So right now, let's just scroll down. So you have just to watch this video until the end and start following the steps, and for sure you will achieve your goal, which is creating a blog website in Wix.com. So right now we have here and the down here. In the downside, we have how to create a website for free. Follow the 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first step, which is choose a platform, then start creating, then customize your website. The fourth one, which is optimize for search engine. Then we have here publish your website, promote and drive traffic as well. So to get started, you have just to click over here and follow the steps. Then you will success with that. So you click over get started and you will find this page. You have just to write your email address and confirm your email address if you want. Choose the password and then confirm the password. So by the way, in the password you must have at least 6 characters. It's better to have upper and lowercase letters, symbols, and a longer password. Also, you can use the option of Google or Facebook, or if you already have an account, you have just to log into your account and you get started. Then once you click over here sign up, you'll find this page as you can see. So we have just to scroll down, you'll find here the trash, the folders, and the sites. So we have just to search for the site that you want, or you can just click over create new site. Once you do that, you'll find this page. What type of website do you want to create? For example, here we have blog coming soon, mindfulness blog, life blog, entertainment blog, technology blog, motivational blog, poetry blog, content blog, student blog. So we have here various blogs. So then you choose the one you want and you click over continue, and you will find here in the dashboard, welcome to your dashboard. Here we have how you can do that. So we have here 5 steps. The first step, which is let's set up your blog. The first step, which is update your blog type, then connect a custom domain, find your perfect domain and secure it in a few clicks. Then here we have write your first blog post, design your website, get found on Google as well. So here we have other options, which is apps here. Let's set up here. You can just go to setup, or you can here we have other options: site and mobile app, inbox, customers, lists, marketing, analytics, automation, settings, CMS, and design site. Also in the top right we have your design site. Also you can just get started right now. Also here we have home, getting paid, all payment, and blog, video library also. So let's click over design site and you will find this page. So this one you have just to answer this question by choosing one of these choices. So we have here how would you like to design your website. The first one, which is customize a template, was thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. Then we have the second one, which is generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. So I will select the first one, pick a template. Then you will find this page as you can see. Pick the website template you love. Here we have just search templates. So here we have it right now. Here you can just select the one you want for the niche or the option. We have here firstly business and services. If it's related to the business, you select here the one you want, such as consultant coaching, services and maintenance, and advertising and marketing, technology and apps as well. Then we have here health and wellness, and beauty and hair, fashion style, travel and tourism. Then we have restaurant and foods, one page and professional CV. Then we have here store, we have e-commerce, we have creative here, photography, design, music, creative arts, portfolio and CV, we have video, we have here community such as education, events and communities. We have the last one which is blog. We have personal blog, food and travel, news and business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports and wellness, and podcasts. So you have just to select the one you want. If we scroll down, we have here also the text page. If you don't like these templates, you can just select other template, or you can also select here the option that you want. For example, personal blog, food and travel, news and business, fashion, sport, and podcast. Then you get started with that, and you click over here. For example, I'll select this one, and I will click over edit, and I will find here the page of designing. So firstly, I will just go to the home here, and I will click over manage pages. Once you do that, you will find here if you want to add a page. If you want to delete page, for example, I will delete all this page and create my own website. Also, you can modify it of the background, the title, the paragraphs and text. Also, you can also modify all things. And then we have the option of blog pages. We have your blog post also. Then here we have the option of the color or the background of the page, such as you choose here this one, just choose the background that you like, and here we have it. All right, right now we have here this of add elements. For example, if you want to add a text such as text, title, paragraphs, column symbol, text mark, text mask also. Then here we have images. Here we have to upload and import free from Wix, free Wix illustration, and we have here custom logo. Then here we have button also. About button, you find here temp buttons, text and icon buttons, image buttons, document buttons. Then we have iTunes button, Wix chat buttons, and here we have web payment buttons. Then here we have strip, such as classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome. Then we have testimonials and team. Then you have decorative, as you can see. We have video, box, gallery, menu and enter, and we have contact and forms, video and music, interactive lists, embedded code, social, payments, CMS, and we have your blog, store, booking, and events. Then here we have the option of background, so such as color theme, text theme, page background, page transitions as well. Then here we have also this one, Wix App Market. And here we have settings, have your Wix blogs, Wix forms and payment, Wix video, Wix chat, Wix site search. So for example, if I want to create posts, manage blog pages, customize post page, add blog elements, and read the blogging guide. Then here we have this option of social CMS, then we have here of social media if you want to upload something in the social media, or you can just upload media here. Also we have photo and studio, video maker as well. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.